In this video, I'm gonna show the float attribute. So first, take a div and lorem's 100 word. I'm taking a picture here with image tag. In this file, there is the image folder and one picture here, gaming 6. So I'm putting this picture. First the folder name and then the gaming 6 jpg. So now I'm gonna style it. And give the float left. I'm gonna clear the p tag like this. Clear left and right, float right. This is float right. This is clear oops, sorry, this is not the p tag. I have to give a p tag here, and this is a simple mistake. And now it will work. This is a p tag and this is clearing the right side. You can use a left if you want to, like left here and here too. It will work. If you wanna make it both, you can do it also. So this is the float. You can make it you can clear it and also make it just float left and right, just like this is the float left and this is the right, like this. So we will continue in the next video. Hope you guys like it.